In this section, you will learn how to move from manual accounting to computerized accounting using Tally. Consider the following business scenario. This business intends to use Tally for its accounting needs. So far, they have been maintaining accounts manually. They intend to switch from Tally from the next financial year. So since they are moving from manual accounting to computerized accounting, they will need some information from previous year books to be recorded in Tally. So what is that information? So the information that they will need will be available in the balance sheet from the previous year. So here is the balance sheet. So this balance sheet contains balance of some ledgers which needs to be shown as opening balance in the upcoming financial year. So how do we add this information in Tally? So you will need to perform two tasks. So number one, we need to create a company in Tally, and number two, we need to create ledgers which are present in the balance sheet with its respective opening balance. So let's see how do we do this in Tally.